why did you choose this partnership model with a local PE firm, Advantage Partners, and will you be making further investments into this market?
Okay, very good question. First one, everybody knows Japan. Japan is a very unique, trust-based country, right? With a very unique healthcare system. When we come to Japan, of course, we need to respect local culture, local practice, and so we pick up and work with the top leader in this market. So we put the local leader, on the front, and we bring in the best practice. We learn from both Asia, China, and the United States, and bring our, playbook behind our, the local partners, right? So that's we choose the collaboration model for Japan market.
In the time since you made this acquisition in late November, there was some geopolitics, an incident that occurred, which now we are seeing some economic walls being put up between Japan and China. There's going to be no seafood imports, and there's also going to be no trips, no airplane travel between the two countries. How does this impact your investment strategy, if at all?
Actually, for Lyfe Capital, we are trust-specific by design, right? Healthcare is a very global business. We're not only limited to like China, US, or Japan investment, given healthcare only one global standards. So back to the Nihon Chouzai deal. So after our investment, as I mentioned, we bring in the best practice of the operation efficiency improvement, work with the advantage partner, the local people, work with the local team to make this company more efficiently, more cost control. Also, we said there's great opportunity in Japan that actually, internally we call this a goal called two flywheel. Number one will be upstream of the value chain. You see the opportunity for integration, be more efficient for manufacturing. In the downstream, we'll call, this will be Japanese version CVS. You see the opportunity for consolidation. So consolidation brings the scalabilities. So all in all, the best practice we learn from globally will enable the company to be more profitable in the future.
Talk to us about these healthcare investment opportunities that you're seeing in terms of the outlook and trends. What are you seeing out there?
When everybody talk about Japan, so everybody had first response will be, this will be 1/3 of the population will be about 65, right? So that means the opportunity. That means the tailwind of opportunity. In addition, people will be mentioning, think about Japan start from 2018, the government put a huge pressure on pricing cut, right? This also be the headwind of the opportunities. But investor like us, we look at opportunity, of course, tailwind, great opportunity, but for the downwind, we come to the market winning through the operation efficiency, winning through the operation improvement, rather than compete on price. So that means, I can be talking about be local lead, working with the local partners. We're bringing a global playbook, enable the operation improvement, the best practice, and help the company to be more profitable. So our returns, our contribution to this opportunity will come from the profitability improvement rather than competing on price.
Are you seeing any biotech leads, anything interesting in other markets as well? China, Singapore, South Korea?
You mean Japan?
Outside of Japan.
Put it that way, we have a very interesting observation right now. So you just mentioned biotech. So I take a biotech for instance right now. So we see biotech right now is on the inflection point of the paradigm shift. So we call productivity and production relationship. So productivity means everybody recognize China, Singapore, including other Asia countries, demonstrate the capability of a generation worldwide innovation and a fast efficiency speed, right? So this we call productivities. From production relationship point of view, we see a lot of multinational companies, they treat this region as a source of the supply. Also, they want to work with the very outstanding partner with innovation from this region, including China, and putting a very compliant ecosystem and bring into the global market, right, under global standard. So this will be productivity lead the production relationship change going forward.